Good morning, Donna. Matthew Gate here. I want to share with you my 22 LSV 2019 black tan interior. Trailer's black as well. So all the trailer has LED lights on it. As you can see, here's the bottom of the front of the boat. It's black as well. No chips, scrapes, anything of that nature. We got the breakaway tongue here with a surge brake. Here's a picture of this side of the hull. I'll go down to the other side as well. Just got through washing it this morning, so you probably see my reflection in it. Sorry about that. You got the LED docking lights. They would go high beam and low beam. I'll show you that here in a minute. Here's all your ports for your ballast tanks and your front bilge pump. I'll show you that as well. As you can see, here's the side of it. It's dual tandem trailer. Disc brakes on each wheel. And your guide pylons. I got that towel there because I don't like to get dirt on my steps when I get in. I'm kind of that guy. So here's the bottom of the hull on the back of the boat. As you can see, prop, everything's in excellent condition. This boat's only got 100 hours on it. I bought it brand new. I've been the only owner. I've got my rear drain plug out because I've been cleaning it this morning. There it is. But here's the underneath of the boat. As you probably see up there, those brass circular pieces, that's for your ballast tank fill. And then one of them is your center drain plug. Here's the back of it again, kind of coming across. No chips on the fiberglass, anything wrong there. It's in excellent condition back here. Your paddle wheel is a little black thing on the right up there. Of course, another one of your ballast tank fills. I actually washed the bottom of it this morning as well, so I figured you might want to ask that question when you got here. Here is you got surf pipe on this boat, which is an option that you add on. And believe it or not, the Power Wedge 3 is an option. A lot of people think these boats come standard with those pieces, and they don't. So a lot of times you'll see cheaper Malibus on the market, but if they don't have those two options on them, that's why. Surf gate here, and you do have the surf gate band as well. I'll show you that when we get inside the boat. You got transom LED lights here at night if you wanted to turn those on, both sides, here and here. And then you also have, try to get you under here to see these, but you also have LED lights in the grab bars on each end. So if you guys are surfing late in the evening, you can do your interior lights come on, and you can see those. Here's your swim deck. Marine Outfitters, where I bought this boat. And then obviously here's the other side. Has backup lights on the trailer. So one's a backup light and one's the tail light, all LEDs. As you can see, it's got good rubber on the tires. They're brand new. These things are just a year old. So everything's in pretty good shape there. Here's the other side of the boat. Kind of going through here. That Malibu on the trailer there actually lights up at night. So help you with your seeing your front fenders there. Kind of coming across the front here. Kind of go slow for you. All the way to the end there. So here's the other side of the boat hull itself. Once again, there's your other docking light on this side. This has got the Wake Plus hull on this boat. So this is designed just for surfing. You still can ski behind it, but surfing and as well as wakeboarding is probably the main reasons for these hulls. Here's your tracking fins under here. As you can see, those are in good shape. Bottom of this, I probably ought to clean a little bit better for you. Apologize for that. And then of course there's your end ports for your ballast tanks I was just talking about earlier. So underneath it, pretty good shape. I'm gonna send you this video, and then I'm gonna crawl inside the boat and give you some of the features inside. Before I do that though, before I shut this one down, apologize, I'm gonna give you a look at the prop shaft just so you can see that and see that it is not bent or damaged. Once again, here's the prop. in good shape. Prop shaft, prop mount. Good. Okay, I'm gonna send you this one and I'll send you another one here in a minute.